How to change your Xbox gamertag on Android. This tutorial shows you how to update your gamertag directly from the Xbox website. First, open Chrome on your Android device and go to xbox.com. After that, make sure you're logged into your Xbox account. From there, tap on your profile icon at the top right of the screen. Right here, tap on Xbox Profile from the menu that appears. Next up, you'll see your profile picture and current gamertag displayed at the top. Tap the pencil icon next to it to edit it. Moving on, clear your current name and type in the new gamertag you want to use. From here, keep in mind that your first gamertag change is free, but any changes after that will cost Microsoft points. Finally, once you're happy with your new name, tap Save, and your gamertag will be updated across all Xbox services right away. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more gaming tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.